I'm Holly, the food editor at Sous Chef, and I'm really excited to show you our alternative advent calendars for 2025. First up, we've got some really lovely calendars from Neuhaus, who are one of Belgium's really famous chocolatiers, and they're particularly famous for their gianduja, which is hazelnut and chocolate spread. And this is a lovely showcase of their gianduja flavours. There's 10 different ones that you'll explore throughout December. And inside, for instance, you see that one of these beautiful, glossy, dark chocolate hazelnut-filled pralines, and they are delicious. And if you like Neuhaus, then also take a look at their chocolate storybook advent calendar, which is a much larger selection. There's 24 different things that showcase all of their different range. So they're beautiful little ballotins, as well as lots of gianduja and truffles and white and dark chocolates. And it's beautifully decked out like a festive story. And now to Italy, baci di damma, which are hazelnut kisses wrapped in chocolate. These classic Italian sweets are so beautiful. And this is such a gorgeous calendar for anyone who loves the classic baci sweet with milk chocolate, coffee flavoured, dark chocolate. They're really beautiful. And still in Italy, we're so excited to have an advent calendar from La Perla this year. La Perla is one of our favourite chocolate and sweets suppliers. They make these beautiful little truffles, and they're famous for using fantastic quality nuts. So these are all PGI hazelnuts in their truffles, and lots of different flavours, pistachio, almond. It's a really beautiful thing, and look, with a beautiful ribbon, it's a fantastic gift as well. Also from Italy, we're excited to have our Tuscan biscuits advent calendar. This is a really fantastic showcase of all sorts of classics: biscotti, canestrelli, limoncello cookies, Turon nougat. It's a really beautiful thing and just something a little different. And now we're off to Denmark, to one of our favourite advent calendars at Sous Chef, which is the Lakrids calendar. Lakrids is a real hit in the Sous Chef office. It never lasts for long, and this is their classic calendar, which has 24 different flavours. You get 2 little balls behind each door, and it's such a beautiful thing. There's always flies every year, so if you're interested, be quick, because they won't be here for long. And then we're so excited. This is the second year we've had the enormous Lakrids calendar. That's 690 grams of licorice. You get 4 balls behind each door, and it's a seriously hefty piece of kit for anyone who loves licorice. Last year they sold out within a week. They're already flying, so be quick. This is a real stellar advent calendar for any licorice lover. And now for something completely different. This is Chili Klaus's Jingle Balls advent calendar, Chili Klaus of YouTube fame. This is a really fun calendar where you're not really sure what you're going to get behind each door. It could be anything chili flavoured, a sweet, a chocolate. And there's a range here between 1 and 15, where 1, you'll feel nothing, it's a light air calm, and 15 is the apocalypse. Anything can happen. And in fact, there's even a warning. If you find a skull behind the door, it's so spicy you need to call an adult to be on hand. So this is a serious chili calendar for anyone who loves a bit of heat, and it's a bit of fun as well. This is the newly designed 2025 Spice Discovery Calendar. It's absolutely stunning in this dark green colour and beautiful ribbon. And inside you'll find spices from all over the world with little recipe ideas of how to use them. It's a really exciting way to bring more flavour to Advent and find some adventure in December. So these are some of our favourite Advent calendars for 2025. Keep checking, there's more arriving every week, and I think there's something for everyone.